81. What is the Ethereum 2 deposit contract? 82. What happens to the old Ethereum network when Ethereum 2 is launched? 83. Will my old ETH tokens become worthless after Ethereum 2? 84. Will I be able to use my existing ETH tokens on Ethereum 2? 85. What happens to my old ETH tokens when Ethereum 2 is launched? 86. Is Ethereum 2 a fork? 87. What happens to all the applications and data on Ethereum after the launch of Ethereum 2? 88. What is staking on Ethereum 2? 89. When can I start staking on Ethereum 2? 90. Is there an advantage to staking on Ethereum 2 from day one?